Hello, my name is Wayne Kroll. Now, I'm sure you heard all the fuss about Facebook chatbots or messenger bots, but have simply not been able to work out how they work. Well, Chatmat Profitz takes chatbots and everything you've heard about them and gives it you ready to hit the ground running, even if you're brand new online. Most people do not know where to start with this groundbreaking tool. They've got questions like, what software do I use? What messages do I write? How do I set up a sequence? What the hell do I sell? Setting up chatbots can be hard, but the rewards can be absolutely massive. There's basically 3 secrets to starting out a successful chatbot, which you can start with straight away. These 3 secrets are getting the right traffic, getting a done-for-you system, and getting the right software. And this is basically how me and my business partners came together. I can give you the best proven traffic source available online. I've spent millions of dollars on traffic, and basically I'll give you a traffic source that works. My business partner Travis gives you the software you need to use for free, and my other business partner Aidan has set up a done-for-you messenger bot system that gives you absolutely everything you need to get started the right way straight away. So when you take my traffic, you take Aidan's system and Travis's software, you put it all together, you've got a complete done-for-you system that you can get set up with in absolutely no time and start making you commissions from messenger bots straight away. Because this is within the reach of anyone who can copy and paste. Do not miss this opportunity, as the price will go up to $49. Click the buy button below and not just crack chatbots and messenger bots, but absolutely dominate them. See you on the inside.